Dear student, I am Sir Raju and welcome to the Learnwell classes. We have a study about exponent. We have already a study about exponent in this previous session, and we will uh, extend our knowledge, our idea about the exponent. So, question number 8, we have solution that find the value of first question 2 raised to the power 0 plus 3 raised to the power minus 1 into 3 raised to the power 2. So we have solved that 2 raised to the power 0 when any numbers which exponent is 0 is that value is only 1. That value is only 1. So 3 raised to the power minus 1. When any exponent which is negative form, then it will be changed in reciprocal form. So it will be 1 upon 3 raised to the power 1 into 3 raised to the power 2. So then we have 1 plus, when exponent is 1 is multiply that numbers is 1. 1 times 1 upon 3 into 3 raised to the power 2. So where denominator is nothing, then we have suppose a number 1. So 1 and 3 LCM is 3 and 1 3 is a 3. So 1 multiply into 3 times is 3 and 3 3 is a 3 1 is a 3. So 1 into 1 is 1 into 3 raised to the power 2. So 3 plus 1 is 4 upon 3 into raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2. So we have 4 upon 3 into, when exponent is 2, that means that number will be multiplied by 2 times. So it will be 3 into 3. 3 is divisible. So 4 into 3 is 4 3 is a 12. 4 3 is a 12. Is that answer? Second, we have 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 3 raised to the power minus 1 in divide 2 raised to the power 3. So we have solution that 2 raised to the power minus 1. When exponent is negative form, it will be changed into reciprocal. So it will be changed reciprocal 1 upon 2 raised to the power 1 into its exponent is also negative form, so it will be changed into reciprocal divide 2 raised to the power minus 3. When power is 1 is when power is 1, so 1 upon 2 is multiplied 1 times is 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3 divide, when exponent is minus form, negative forms, then it will be changed into reciprocal forms. So 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3. We have multiplied that 1 into 1 and 2 into 3. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Divide 1 upon 2 in 3 times because its exponent is 3. when we change into divide into the multiply forms, then it is goes to the reciprocal numbers. 2 upon 1, 2 upon 1, 2 upon 1. 2 3s are 6. So it will be 1 into 2, 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 upon 3 is that answer. So let's repeat again. Find the value of 2 raised to the power 0 plus 3 raised to the power minus 1 into 3 raised to the power 2. When exponent is 0, that value is only 1. So 2 raised to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 raised to the power minus 1. When exponent is negative form, it will be reciprocal of that numbers into 3 raised to the power 2. So 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 3 into raised to the 3 raised to the power 2. And next 3 plus 1, 1 and 3. Find the LCM. When we find 1 or 3, LCM is 3. So we have 1 3s are 3. So 1 multiply into 3 times is getting 3. So 3 is multiplied divided by 3 is getting 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1 into 3 raised to the power 2. So next 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 upon 3 into 3 raised to the power 2. When exponent is 2, it means that number is multiplied by 2 times. So 4 upon 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is divisible and getting 1, and we have multiplied that numbers 4 into 1 4 and 4 into 3 is 12. So its answer is 12. Next we have 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 3 raised to the power minus 1 into divide 2 raised to the power minus 3. So next, when exponent is negative form, it will be reciprocal forms. So it will be 1 upon 2 raised to the power 1 into 1 upon 3 raised to the power 1 divide 2 raised to the power minus 3. So we have 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3 divide. When exponent is negative form, it will be changed into reciprocal forms. 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3. So 1 multiply into 1 is 1. 2 multiply into 3 is 6. Divide. When exponent is 3, it means that number is multiplied by 3 times. So 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. So we have 1 upon 6 into, when divide is changed to multiply, then that numbers is going to reciprocal form. So we have 2 upon 1 into 2 upon 1 into 2 upon 1. 2 3s are 6, and we have 1 into 1 is equal to 1, and 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 5. So we have get 4. 2 into 2 4, and 3 into 1 3, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 1 3. So we get 3. It means 4 upon 3 is getting answer. Next, question number 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 2. So we have already know that when exponent is negative form, it will be changed into reciprocal forms. So it will be goes 2 upon 1 raised to the power 2 and plus it exponent is also getting negative form, so it will be also changed into reciprocal form 3 upon 1 raised to the power 2 and 1 upon 4 upon 1, because it exponent is minus form, then it will be changed into reciprocal form. When denominator is 1, we have write that numbers, because 1 is divided that numbers is quotient is already getting that numbers. It means 1 is divided 2 is getting to quotient 2. So 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3 raised to the power 2 and plus 4 raised to the power 2. So we have know that when exponent is 2, it means that numbers is multiplied by 2 times. So 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4. 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9, 4 4 is 16. So we have already we have 8 the numbers. So 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9, 13 and plus 16. 13 plus 16 is getting 29. So its answer is 29. So next question number 9. Find the value of x for which is equal to 5 upon 3 raised to the power minus 4 into 5 upon 3 raised to the power minus 5 is equal to 5 upon 3 raised to the power 3x. So when exponent is minus form, that number is going to reciprocal forms, and when it is reciprocal, that numbers will be changed 3 upon 5 and raised to the power 4 into, when exponent is negative form, it will be changed into reciprocal forms, then 3 upon 5 raised to the power 5 is equal to 5 upon 3 raised to the power 3x. We have find the value of x. So when base is the same, power is to be added. When base is the same, power to be added in multiple forms. So we have 3 upon 5 raised to the power 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 upon 3 raised to the power 3x. So next 3 upon 5 and raised to the power 4 plus 5 added to, when 4 plus 5 is 9. So 3 upon 5 raised to the power 9 is equal to 5 upon 3 raised to the power 3x. Next 3 upon 5 raised to the power 9 and here 5 upon 3, but here 3 upon 5. When base goes to the equal form, so it will be changed in the exponent. So when exponent is minus form, it will be changed into reciprocal form. So it will get 3 upon 5 raised to the power minus 3x. When base is equal, then it will be cancel, and we have 9 and minus 3x. So x is equal to 9 upon minus 3. 3 is a 9. So we have 3 upon minus 1. You have already know that exponent, when you have know that denominator is never goes in negative form. So it will be goes in numerator. 3 minus 3 upon 1, it means minus 3. Minus 3 is the answer. Question number 10. Find the value of x for which 4 upon 9 raised to the power 4 into 4 upon 9 raised to the power minus 7 is equal to 4 upon 9 raised to the power 2x minus 1. So when base is equal, then we have exponent is added to the number. So 4 upon 9 raised to the power 4 plus minus 7 is equal to 4 upon 9 raised to the power 2x minus 1. So we have 4 upon 9, and it is minus form, it is positive form, it will be less that numbers, it goes minus 3 is equal to 4 upon 9 raised to the power 2x minus 1. When exponent is minus form, we have reciprocal that numbers, so it will 9 upon 4 raised to the power 3, and it will be changed not, we have not changed the numbers because base is equal to the both side, LHS side and RHS side. So when base is equal, then it will be divisible, so that we have minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. So minus is getting left hand side, minus 1 is getting left hand side, and when it is minus form, then it goes to the left hand side, it will be, its sign will be changed and it will be positive form. So 2x minus is less to the positive form is got minus 2x is equal to, so x is equal to minus 2 upon 2. So we have divisible 2 of 2 is 1 times, so x is minus 1. We have answered that x is equal to minus 1. Question number 11. Why what number should minus 6 raised to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product becomes 9 raised to the power minus 1? When it's this questions, we have suppose a number. Let's the required number to be x. When question is that why what number should minus 6 raised to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product becomes 9 raised to the power minus 1. When we have solution that let's require the number to be x according to the question. according to the question, minus 6 raised to the power minus 1 into multiplied that numbers, which is suppose x is equal to 9 raised to the power minus 1. So when exponent is minus form, we have know that it will be become in change reciprocal numbers. So it will be 1 upon minus 6 raised to the power 1 multiply x. When exponent is minus form, it will be changed in reciprocal forms. So it will get 1 upon 9 raised to the power 1. When exponent is 1, it means that number is getting 1 upon minus 6 into x 1 upon 9. So x is equal to, it will be goes to the right hand side and it will be goes to the right hand side and divide forms. When we get in multiply forms, the denominator will be changed into the numerator and numerator will be changed into denominator. So we have get that minus 6 upon 1. So we have get that minus 6 upon 1. So we have multiplied that 1 into 6 minus 6 and we have multiplied 1 into 9. We have get 9. It will be divisible. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So its answer will be minus 2 upon 3. Its answer will be minus 2 upon 3. So we have get minus 2 upon 3. It means by what number should 6 minus 6 raised to the power 1 be multiplied. Which number multiplied? Minus 2 upon 3 is multiplied, that so that the product becomes 9 raised to the power 1. Okay.